Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Practice English Hub. Today, we're going to practice English together through real-life conversations at the doctor's office. In this video, you will learn useful English expressions commonly used when visiting a doctor, checking in at a clinic, describing symptoms, talking about your health, receiving medical advice, and discussing treatment plans. This lesson is perfect for beginner and intermediate English learners who want to improve everyday English communication, speak more confidently in healthcare situations, practice listening and pronunciation, learn useful health-related vocabulary, prepare for real-life conversations with doctors and medical staff. As always, listen carefully to each sentence first. Then repeat immediately after the speaker and copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation naturally. Don't worry if you don't understand every word right away. The more you listen and repeat, the more natural your English will become. Remember, the goal is not perfection. The goal is steady progress through daily practice. So put on your headphones, relax, and let's begin today's English shadowing practice at the doctor's office. Part 1. Arriving at the doctor's office.
Good morning. Good morning.
I have an appointment today. I have an appointment today.
I'm here to see the doctor. I'm here to see the doctor.
My appointment is at 10 o'clock. My appointment is at 10 o'clock.
I'd like to check in. I'd like to check in. Here is my identification. Here is my identification. The waiting room is comfortable. The waiting room is comfortable. I'll wait for my name to be called. I'll wait for my name to be called. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. I'm ready for my appointment. I'm ready for my appointment. Part 2. Talking to the receptionist. I have an appointment with Dr. Smith. I have an appointment with Dr. Smith. Could you confirm my appointment? Could you confirm my appointment? Do I need to fill out any forms? Do I need to fill out any forms? How long is the waiting time? How long is the waiting time? This is my first visit here. This is my first visit here. Could you update my information? Could you update my information? Thank you for your assistance. Thank you for your assistance. I'll complete the form now. I'll complete the form now. Everything looks correct. Everything looks correct. I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help. Part 3. Describing symptoms. I've been feeling tired lately. I've been feeling tired lately. I have a headache. I have a headache. My throat hurts. My throat hurts.
I've had a cough for a few days. I've had a cough for a few days.
I don't feel very well today. I don't feel very well today. My stomach feels uncomfortable. My stomach feels uncomfortable. I've been feeling dizzy. I've been feeling dizzy. The pain started yesterday. The pain started yesterday. The symptoms are getting better. The symptoms are getting better. I'd like some advice. I'd like some advice. Part 4. Talking with the doctor. Good morning, doctor. Good morning, doctor. Thank you for seeing me today. Thank you for seeing me today. I've been feeling unwell recently. I've been feeling unwell recently. Could you help me understand this? Could you help me understand this? How long will it take to recover? How long will it take to recover? Is there anything I should avoid? Is there anything I should avoid? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? Thank you for explaining everything clearly. Thank you for explaining everything clearly. That information is very helpful. That information is very helpful. I appreciate your advice. I appreciate your advice. Part 5. Medical examination. Please take a deep breath. Please take a deep breath. Let me check your temperature. Let me check your temperature. Your blood pressure looks normal. Your blood pressure looks normal. Please relax and stay comfortable. Please relax and stay comfortable. Everything seems fine. Everything seems fine. I'd like to run a few tests. I'd like to run a few tests. The examination won't take long. The examination won't take long. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for your cooperation. The results look good. The results look good. Let's discuss the next steps. Let's discuss the next steps. Part 6. Receiving advice and treatment. You should get plenty of rest. You should get plenty of rest. Make sure to drink enough water. Make sure to drink enough water. Try to eat healthy foods.
Try to eat healthy foods.
Take this medication as directed. Take this medication as directed.
Follow the instructions carefully. Follow the instructions carefully.
Please come back if symptoms continue. Please come back if symptoms continue.
Regular exercise is important. Regular exercise is important.
Getting enough sleep helps recovery. Getting enough sleep helps recovery. Your health is improving. Your health is improving.
Keep taking care of yourself. Keep taking care of yourself.
Part 7. Pharmacy and medication. I'd like to pick up my prescription. I'd like to pick up my prescription.
How often should I take this medicine? How often should I take this medicine?
Should I take it with food? Should I take it with food? Are there any side effects? Are there any side effects? Thank you for explaining. Thank you for explaining. I'll follow the instructions carefully. I'll follow the instructions carefully. How long should I take this medication? How long should I take this medication? The pharmacist was very helpful. The pharmacist was very helpful. I understand how to use it now. I understand how to use it now. Thank you for your assistance. Thank you for your assistance. Part 8. Health and Wellness Conversations. Health is very important. Health is very important. I try to exercise regularly. I try to exercise regularly. Eating healthy makes a difference. I try to stay active every day. Good habits support good health. Good habits support good health. I try to stay active every day. I try to stay active every day. Drinking water is important. Drinking water is important. Sleep helps the body recover. Sleep helps the body recover. Small, healthy choices add up. Small, healthy choices add up. Prevention is better than treatment. Prevention is better than treatment. Taking care of yourself is important. Taking care of yourself is important. Part 9. Leaving the doctor's office. Thank you for your time today. Thank you for your time today.
I feel more confident now. I feel more confident now. The appointment was very helpful. The appointment was very helpful.
I understand my treatment plan. I understand my treatment plan.
I'll follow your recommendations. I'll follow your recommendations. Thank you for answering my questions. Thank you for answering my questions. I appreciate your care. I appreciate your care. Have a great day. Have a great day. Take care and goodbye. Take care and goodbye. See you at my next appointment. See you at my next appointment. Part 10. Motivation and positive thoughts. Good health supports a happy life. Good health supports a happy life. Every day is a new opportunity. Every day is a new opportunity. Small improvements matter. Small improvements matter. Taking care of yourself is important. Taking care of yourself is important. Healthy habits create positive results. Healthy habits create positive results. Stay patient with your progress. Stay patient with your progress. Your well-being matters. Your well-being matters. Keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Take care and stay healthy. Take care and stay healthy. Excellent work today. You practiced useful English conversations commonly used at a doctor's office and improved your speaking, listening, and pronunciation step by step. Remember, being able to communicate clearly about your health is an important life skill. Every sentence you repeat helps you become more confident when making appointments, describing symptoms, asking questions, and understanding medical advice in English. Keep listening, keep shadowing, keep practicing every day. Small improvements can lead to big results over time. Thank you so much for learning with Practice English Hub today. I hope this lesson helped you feel more comfortable and confident using English in healthcare situations. Take care of yourself, stay healthy, and continue building your English skills one step at a time. I'll see you in the next English shadowing practice. Bye for now, and keep practicing English every day.